Did you know that there is a crystal shop located right here in Wilson, North Carolina? So many people come through these doors and they're like, I didn't even know you guys were here. Well, now you know. So let me show you around. We have 49 different incense from Wildberry. These smell absolutely incredible, and they have a long burn time up to over an hour. We do have a small book section, but we are working to expand this and add more. Crystal carvings galore. So many characters, so many different carvings, so many to choose from. Right now, we are set up for the spooky season. So if you're looking for something for your home, we got you covered. This is our tarot and oracle card section. We only have a few, but this is another section that we're working to expand. If you're looking for some smaller pocket crystals, we have many for you to choose from. We also have the worry stones with the little indentions in there. So many here as well. And what we're really known for is our little mini carvings. How cute are they? Need candles? We got them. Or some oils. Yep, we got that too. What about crystal jewelry? I think we got that covered. 198 different bracelets to choose from. And we have another section here with some cute earrings and necklaces. We have the keychains. And over here, more jewelry. I do think that this is probably everybody's little favorite section. You can come in and make your own little wish bottle. Singing bowls? Yep, we got them. Crystals, of course. I mean, this is a crystal store after all. So whatever you're looking for, we probably have it. Towers, towers, and more towers. Divination? Yep, got you covered. If you like the raw stones over the polished, we have those too. Your favorite deity? We probably have that. And we have herbal teas, and we also brew them in the store for you. Looking for just a nice calming space to come and read or work? We've got a section for you. Let's not forget the herbs. This is our herb wall. We also allow other small businesses to set up in the store with their products. So what you waiting for? Come on down and check us out. If you aren't local to Wilson, no worries, because we have a website as well, sassyclover.com, and we go live on TikTok every week. We love you guys and can't wait to see you walk through that door.